Okay, so if you press it once, that turns on a high mist. If you press it twice, that's a low mist. 3 times is off. 1 time down here turns the light on, and it will rotate through the different colors. If you want it to stay on one particular color, when it lands on that color, you press this a 2nd time, and then just shut it off. You press it a 3rd time. I needed this in my home office because it's so dry in our house, and I am really impressed with it. I like that it is little and it fits just right here on the corner of my desk, or I can move it over here to sit up here. I have not added essential oils to it, but it does say that you can add essential oils to it. The water is pretty low right now. It's hard to see, but it's right here, and that's after I have been running this all day long. So I don't know, I guess it kind of goes through water pretty quick, but not super quick. Overall, I give it 2 thumbs up and would highly recommend it.
It's high. Low. Off. High. Low. Off. The color's changing. If I see a color that I want it to stay on, say I want to keep it at the green, just push the button when it's on a green, it'll stay there. I can turn it off or back on.
Unplug, plug back in. It makes a noise and flashes the light, but the buttons don't work and it won't turn on. Unplug, plug back in, nothing. What a bummer.
This is cool. Changes colors. Changes amount of steam. Or not steam. Humidifier. Turns orange, green, blue. Really cool. Turns off automatically. Totally safe.